Welcome to our Seashell channel. I'm Mary Rivera Messina from Philippines. I'm your seashell florist artist for today. I'm creating seashells art for 25 years now. Please support handicraft industry in Philippines. We can customize any design you want. Just send a message. And for today DIY, we will create this beautiful seashell flower arrangement like this.
Hi, I'm Grace, your virtual instructor for today's DIY. Tools needed: wire cutter, scissor, cutter, styro ball, masking tape, glue gun and glue stick, floral wire, floral tape, white glue and sand. Trapezium horse conch, brown snail, Vita Conch, and bear conch. Glue the bear conch shell into the bottom of trapezium horse conch. Put white glue for more security, and dip it into the white sand for more security. Cut the styro ball into square and put inside of the trapezium horse conch. Put a white glue into top and side of the styro inside the trapezium horse conch and put white sand for security. Glue the brown snail into the tip of the wire. Glue the Vita Conch into the tip of the wire. Feel free to arrange the seashell flower and stem. And we are done. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoy me as your virtual instructor for today. See you again in our next seashell DIY. Please like, share and subscribe. Comment below your request DIY. Take care everyone from me, Grace and Mary. Love lots. Stay creative.